Setting the right prices for your side hustle is crucial to its success. It's essential to find a balance where your rates are competitive enough to attract customers while still high enough to secure a meaningful profit. This balance ensures sustainability and growth in a competitive market. It involves careful consideration of your business goals, understanding customer perceptions, and knowing your market value. Ensuring your pricing reflects the quality and value you deliver is key, not only to cover your costs, but also to build a reputation and maintain a healthy, profitable business. To effectively price your services, start by thoroughly understanding all costs involved. This includes direct costs, such as materials needed for your service, and indirect costs, like the time you invest and utilities you use. By identifying these costs, you create a foundation for setting your prices. It's essential to capture every expense to ensure you're not underestimating what it costs to run your side hustle. When you accurately account for these costs, you can then build a pricing model that not only covers these expenses, but also sets you up for financial sustainability and profit. Conducting market research is indispensable for setting the right prices for your side hustle. By examining your niche's current pricing landscape, you can position your services competitively. It's important to aim for a pricing strategy that reflects the value you provide, rather than merely competing on price. Avoid the trap of being the cheapest option, which can devalue your service and squeeze your profit margins. Instead, focus on understanding what potential customers are willing to pay and how competing services are priced, helping you identify a price point that attracts clients while sustaining your business. Value-based pricing is a strategy that focuses on the perceived worth of your services to the customer, rather than merely covering your costs or aligning with competitors' rates. This approach allows you to set prices based on the benefits and outcomes your services deliver, potentially increasing your profitability. When implementing value-based pricing, consider the unique advantages your service offers and estimate how much these benefits are worth to your customers. This method distinguishes your offering in a crowded marketplace, cementing your brand's value proposition and encouraging customer loyalty by aligning price with perceived value. As your side hustle grows and evolves, adjusting your pricing is critical to reflect your increased expertise and client base. Strategically scaling your prices involves a careful evaluation of your expanding skills, market demand, and the quality of service you provide. When it's time to increase prices, communicate openly with existing clients about the changes and the added value they will continue to receive. Preparation and transparency help in easing the transition and maintaining trust. Effectively managing these adjustments ensures your pricing remains aligned with your business's growth and value proposition.